Word-by-Word Picture Dictionary, 2nd edition, by Stephen J. Malinsky and Bill Bliss.
Pages 4, The Classroom. Listen and practice the words.
Teacher, teacher. Teacher's aide, teacher's aide. Student, student. Desk, desk. Seat, seat. Chair, chair. Table, table. Computer, computer. Overhead projector, overhead projector. Screen, screen. Chalkboard, chalkboard. Board, board. Clock, clock. Map, map. Bulletin board, bulletin board. PA system, PA system. Loudspeaker, loudspeaker. Whiteboard, whiteboard. Board, board. Globe, globe. Bookcase, bookcase. Bookshelf, bookshelf. Teacher's desk, teacher's desk. Wastebasket, wastebasket.
Page 5, The Classroom. Listen and practice the words.
Pen, pen. Pencil, pencil. Eraser, eraser. Pencil sharpener, pencil sharpener. Book, book. Textbook, textbook. Workbook, workbook. Spiral notebook, spiral notebook. Binder, binder. Notebook, notebook. Notebook paper, notebook paper. Graph paper, graph paper. Ruler, ruler. Calculator, calculator. Chalk, chalk. Eraser, eraser. Marker, marker. Thumbtack, thumbtack. Keyboard, keyboard. Monitor, monitor. Mouse, mouse, printer, printer.
Page 5. Model Conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
Where's the teacher?
The teacher is next to the board.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
Where's the globe?
The globe is on the bookcase.
Page 5. Additional Conversations. Now listen to the additional conversations and then practice them using any words in the lesson you wish.
Is there a map in your classroom?
Yes, there's a map next to the chalkboard.
Is there a printer in your classroom? No, there isn't.
Word by word picture dictionary.